Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with day number 7 of my August 2022 Counterfeit Kit Challenge series. This is the 7th layout that I've made with my kit this month, and for today's layout I am using a page map sketch, and it is this one with the 4 photos. I don't know that I'm going to follow it exactly, but if you see what I got laid out here, it looks like I'm going to follow it to the letter. So I've pulled in my 4 photos here. I'm going to do some cutting down of photos in order to fit them here. You can see I kind of laid everything out. I took some scrap papers. These 3, well, all of these are scrap papers, and then I have 2 solids in my background that I'm going to use. Then I pulled in a tag that I had punched out from some of the 6x8 paper. I've layered up some embellishments and flowers. I've pulled in the circles that I had previously stamped and punched out. I pulled in this banner piece that I had made for a previous layout and didn't use. I pulled in the flowers. Here's another one of those tags. There's chipboard, there's ephemera, there's some washi tape. And I pulled in 2 alphabets this time. This one and this one. And I had a 3rd set of these that I had not pulled in yet, but I'm out of E's, so I pulled it in for an E. But these have been well used, well loved. Yeah, I'm still going with those. And we'll see how this looks. If it follows along with what this kind of looks like, in just a minute you'll see my final result. But in the meantime, stay tuned. I'm going to show you a close-up of that sketch. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 7. These are the products that I did not use. I pulled out 2 tags that I had previously punched out with a die, and then this little chipboard piece, but the rest of it I used. And I actually pulled some stuff in as well. So reminder of the sketch that I used, a 4 photo sketch. And here are the products. I did use a little bit of this washi tape. These are all the cutoffs. I had started off with this piece of paper like this. It was a scrap and I was going to use it like that, and then I cut it down and then it wasn't quite right, so I pulled in another piece of paper. So technically I didn't use this in its original form, but it's alright. I have lots of scraps here, and these will go into my leftovers. And there's the background. I actually cut that out because I thought I was going to use that on top, but I didn't. I used both sets of alphabets, and it took me to the 3rd sheet to get my title done. I pulled in these puffy stickers. I pulled in these enamel dots. I pulled in these enamel dots, and then these bling dots. And here is the layout that I created. You can see I cut out that huge chunk. Don't ask me why I do that, y'all. Here's that little tiny bit of washi tape over here. I folded it in half and then used it for like a ribbon, and then I ended up putting an enamel dot, but I wasn't going to pull it off. I used enamel dots here and that little heart. I layered up everything just like I had it laying on my desk. My papers in the sketch, it shows having another piece of paper under the photos, and then the other pieces of paper, the patterns behind that, and I just like the look of it with the patterns on top of. Does that make sense? Without the additional piece of paper. I thought I was going to pull this one to go behind the photos and then put the pattern papers behind that, but I liked how this looked. Anywho, my title is Moments with Friends, and this is from a scrapbooking retreat that I went on several years ago with my friend Victoria Marie. And of course we were at a retreat where there were chickens, and so of course you have to include those with your with your friends. Anywho, so I use lots of product here, and I love how this one turned out. Absolutely adore how this one turned out. I balanced it with the 3 clusters here, and then because I had this over here, I needed to balance it a little bit with this over here. That's what I thought. Anyway, I like how it turned out. It's another one for my books that's going in. Super happy with it. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. I will have close-ups at the end of the video, so make sure if you're interested, stay tuned. And I will have all the layouts that I created with this kit on my August 2022 playlist on my channel. So make sure if you want to see the others, head over there and check that out. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.